Hi friends, I am Venkateswara Rao, DMM Guttikal. Today I am showing how to raise a request on the depot Mittuguda. Click on requisition on left side, requisition on left side. There are so many options. This is S1313 requisition. This is impressed requisition. Generally, divisional conjoinees, everybody will have their own impressed. So select this impressed requisition option. I am clicking on impressed requisition option. Now the indentor name will be displayed, their conjoining code will be displayed. Now you select the stores depot where you want the material. Generally for South Central Railway, GNS Mittuguda, General and Signal Stores Depot Mittuguda is the general depot for all the conjoinees. So I am selecting General Mittuguda and it will be displayed Mittuguda depot watts from where I have to draw the material. That word I have to select. Now I am selecting 5 word. This is stationary word of in the Mittuguda. So I have selected depot. I have selected word. Now period from to. This is quarterly requirement. No, now I am selecting quarterly month means 1st August to October end. 3 months. Now requisition number. Generally, our voucher numbers are 5-digit numbers. So I am giving 5-digit number 401. Next is allocation. My allocation is 04099 9928. Once allocation is given, after that you click on add show items. Once again, this is depot Mittuguda ward 5 ward. We have to give period. This is quarterly period. Because I am right now I am in the month of August, so I have selected the period from the 1st August 2021 to 3 months later, that is the 31st October. I am giving requisition number. This is 5-digit number for 401, and I have entered allocation number. So first now you click on add show items. Now it will be displayed the list of items which are having interest items of this particular conjoint. So OS general is having impressed items under 5 watt. These are the items. So this list will be displayed for that particular conjoint. If any other conjoint will have 30 items in the 5 watt, the 30 items will be displayed like that. So now my conjoint is having 17 items. It will be shown PL number, description, stock. Stock means this is the stock on hand of Mittuguda. Mittuguda depot is having this much stock and unit of stock, unit of accountal, and the sanctioned quantity. This sanctioned quantity is my impressed sanctioned quantity. It means for the A4 Xerox paper, my sanctioned impressed is 18 reams. That's why it is showing 18. Now my stock on hand is one number, one ream. I can place demand for 17 numbers only because the calculation is sanctioned quantity minus stock on hand. 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. Once quantity is entered, automatically Since it is not taking because some vouchers has to be cleared, now I am showing other item. This is also Xerox paper A3. My stock on hand is 0. My sanctioned quantity is 50. Now I am entering 50 because 50 minus 0 is equal to 50. Now you can check on it. You can click on it. Next is I am selecting envelope 150. Next is notebook shorthand. Automatically it will be checked. This is 10 numbers. Whatever the items you want, you please enter the quantity demanded quantity you can enter. You need not select all the items. Whatever the required items, you select those items only. It means where quantity is required, there you enter. If you don't want, you leave it alone. Now I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Now after completion of entry of demand quantity, now you click on save. Now the impressed indent draft will be created. Draft is saved successfully. Now you click on view demand. Whatever we have created right now, that can be seen in the bottom. See, I have selected these items. Again, if you want to delete, you can delete. If you want to edit, you can edit. Now, after completion of this activity, just click on approve and forward. See, for impress demands, the consignee can place indent on directly to the Metugoda depot. Once you click on approve and forward, the demand will automatically generated and forwarded to Metugoda depot. Okay, friends?